In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a flying game. So you can move this up and down, the cat, and then you need to try to get all the balloons. So let's get started. First, when green flag clicked, we want it to go over there. So we can use the go to block and then grab forever, if then else, and put an if then in the else. So if up arrow key pressed and if down arrow key pressed, so if it's up arrow, then we want to change y by 10. Yeah, like by 10. And down arrow, we want to change it by -10. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's working. So now let's add a sprite to collect. So I'm just gonna choose you know what, I'll just choose gem. No, you know what, I'll just choose an orange. So this sprite, when green flag clicked, we want it to originally hide. And then forever loop, we want to create a clone of myself and then wait 1.2 seconds. When I start as clone, we want to show first. Then we want to go to a random position and we want to set the X to, we want to set the X to 217 and then grab a repeat until. So grab an OR block. So repeat until touching sprite 1 or touching the edge. Then we want to move -10 steps. So let's try it. So now after, we want to delete this clone, or else, as you saw, it gets stuck like in front of the cat or on the edge. So let's make a variable. Let's call it score. So if touching the orange, then we want to change score by 1, and then we want to wait until we are not touching orange. And when green flag clicked, you also need to add a set score to 0. Now let's add some background or some clouds. Just get some clouds here. So when green flag clicked, we also want it to hide. And then grab forever. We want to create a clone of myself. Create a clone of myself. Wait 1 second. When I start as a clone, we want to show. Go to random position, and we want to switch costume to pick random 1 to 4. Now after that, go to random position. We also want to set the x to 162. Now another repeat until. So repeat until touching edge. We want to, this time, let's use another pick random. -10 to -15. Let's try it. Wait, and then we also want to delete this clone after. Or actually, instead of touching edge, since as you saw, sometimes it spawns at the bottom, then maybe, so if we want to do it, if the x is great. So if the x is greater than -276, oh, sorry, yeah, you need to put the -276 here, and then x position here. Now let's try it. Now we just need to add a background. Like this. Blue sky. Let's try it. Wait, yes. Sorry, I think it's this one. Yeah, now it's working. That's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, remember to press the like button and subscribe. Bye!